Emergencies can happen anywhere, even when you're on the go. That's why the LifeVac Travel Kit exists. It's a compact, easy-to-use choking rescue device that helps you act fast, when every second counts. So, what exactly is LifeVac? It's a non-invasive airway clearance device designed to assist in a choking emergency. Using simple suction, it can help dislodge an obstruction, especially when back blows or the Heimlich maneuver don't work. With a travel kit, that same life-saving technology becomes portable, perfect for use anytime, anywhere. Inside the yellow zip-up travel pouch, you'll find one LifeVac device, an adult mask, a pediatric mask, and a clear instruction manual. The whole kit is lightweight and compact, small enough to keep in your car, carry-on bag, backpack, or even a diaper bag. Here's how it works. Place the mask over the person's mouth and nose. Push the handle down to create a seal. Then pull up to generate suction and help remove the blockage. No batteries. No complicated steps. No prior training needed. It's designed for moments when traditional methods fail, or when you need a quick and safe alternative. And it works for both adults and children, thanks to the two included masks that are easy to switch out. So why consider the travel kit? Because emergencies don't wait. And when help is still minutes away, having a LifeVac close by could make all the difference. It's ideal for parents, caregivers, frequent travelers, teachers, or anyone looking to stay prepared, just in case. Final thoughts. The LifeVac Travel Kit isn't just another safety product. It's a tool that could save a life. It's compact, easy to use, and built for real-world emergencies. Hopefully, you'll never need it. But if you do, you'll be glad it's there. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might benefit from this. And if you've ever used LifeVac or have questions about it, drop a comment below. Let's talk safety and peace of mind.